Odysseus moon lander tipped over onto its side during touchdown. Company says Intuitive Machines Odysseus moon lander coming down faster than expected and moving slightly to one side at the moment of touchdown. Thursday, apparently caught a footpad on the lunar surface and tipped over onto its side. Officials said Friday. Telemetry indicates the top of the spacecraft may be resting on a rock, or the lander could be tipped over on upward-sloping terrain. But Steve Altemus, CEO and co-founder of Intuitive Machines, said Odysseus is still able to draw power from the sun and send engineering and science data back to Earth. Engineers are in the process of downloading data and hope to downlink stored images as early as this weekend, clarifying the orientation of the 14-foot-tall spacecraft. We're downloading and commanding data from the buffers in the spacecraft and trying to get you surface photos because I know that everyone's hungry for those, Altemus said. The revelation that Odysseus had tipped over on touchdown came as a surprise following an overnight update from Intuitive Machines saying telemetry indicated the spacecraft was in an upright orientation. Altemus said Friday that conclusion was based on stale data, a more thorough analysis of residual propellant and data from inertial measurement units, indicating the direction of gravity showed the spacecraft was, in fact, resting on its side. The landing highlighted the risks faced by any robotic spacecraft attempting to land on unknown terrain and the challenge of autonomously navigating around rocks and other obstacles that cannot be seen from orbit. A Japanese moon probe tipped over on touchdown last month, limiting its ability to complete the planned science agenda. Altemus and Tim Crane, Intuitive's chief technology officer, both were optimistic Odysseus can still accomplish most of its objectives, but at least one hope for objective will not be met. An experimental camera system built by students at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, designed to be released before touchdown to capture imagery of the lander during its final descent, was not deployed as planned because of software constraints related to the guidance system problem. The EagleCam package will be ejected later, Altemus said. Shot out dozens of feet to one side. If all goes well, the cameras will show Odysseus resting on its side, giving engineers and the public the best views available of the spacecraft's orientation.